Good morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing great and welcome to another video. Today I will be teaching you guys how to put a relay or a breaker cutout breaker in the system of your cars or any component you are about to fix in your car. So here right in front of me, as you can see, I have a Japanese cutout of 4 points, 4 basic points. Okay, it can be either of 5 points, 6 points, or it can depend on the model or variant or specification of different cars, like Japanese and you can say Germans have different cutouts and relays. So I will be teaching you today a simple 4-way basic cutout or relay functions, and how to put a breaker in any component line, like your radiator fan or the self starter or light bulb. So this is the basic 4-point relay or cutout right in front of me. It's a Japanese cutout. So these smaller points, as you can see, these two smaller points, the lower points, are of the current of the relay. Okay, it can either be negative or positive, or positive or negative. You can put on either end or either side. You can put the negative and the positive. That doesn't matter. So if you put negative and positive, or positive or negative currents here, your relay, the relay will be active. You will be able to hear a ticking sound. It will tick. Okay, so this will be active. If you don't put the negative or the positive currents here, it won't work. So this is the basic current of the relay, the basic power for the relay to start it. Okay, and the second 2 points are one you can see in the middle, and the other one is on the top. Okay, this is the point where you have to connect the positive current from your car's main ignition switch. Okay, when you turn on the ignition switch, you will have to put the current of the switch here. So this is the main the center point is the main point for your for the positive current from the ignition switch. Okay, and the top one is from where you will take the current to the positive current to any component, like the fan, the light bulb, or the self starter. You are going to give the current to that component. So these 2 points are the current points for the relay. To activate the relay, in this point we will have to feed the positive current, and from this point we will have to take out the positive current that we want for any component, or any anything, any fan, any light, or anything that we are going to connect the breaker or the cutout or the relay with. Okay, so this is the circle of this relay. This is the connector for this 4-point relay. As you can see, this is the connector. When we put the relay in it, always remember that if you are giving the current to heavy components like the fan, the bulb, or self starter, you will have to be cautious, be careful to choose the right connector. So these are the heavy wires, the stronger wires, these two, as you can see, and these are the points where we will have to feed the current to activate the relay. The positive, the negative, the negative, the positive, the negative, either side you can put, that doesn't matter. And this is the point where we will have to feed the current from the switch, the ignition switch, the main switch, and this is the point from where we will take the current and give it to any component. Okay, this can work as either with the ignition switch or the positive point which we have given to the relay. To activate it, we can attach these two wires. It will also work in that matter. But the best thing is that always take the current, feed the current from the ignition switch. Any current that is coming from when you turn off the ignition switch, you will have to feed that with this point. So this was the circle of this relay. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.